Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul's father has died. Sean Paul, in a release today, said, quote, "It is with deep regret that I announce the passing of my father, Garth Henriquez, on May 24. On behalf of our family, I wish to thank everyone who has offered their kind words and sincere condolences in this time of bereavement," end quote. Back in April, Sean made a plea to the public through his social media pages for persons to donate blood at the University Hospital of the West Indies, where his father was admitted in the intensive care unit. E-Prime would like to extend condolences to Sean Paul and his family. Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall show came to an exciting end on Saturday night. The event was held at the Melbourne Cricket Club and saw finalists Bad Girl Jade, Sapphire, Blugo and Hugupunge vying for the coveted title. Dressed for the lyrical war, the two female finalists put on an epic showdown, but it was Sapphire who emerged the winner. Hugupunge gave the clash his best shot. However, the man who was most prepared for the war came out on top.
It's really special for us because, again, remember, Magnum is dancehall, and this is the best way for us to put our stamp on it. So we are taking young talents out of the communities. These are the communities that are drinking Magnum tonic wine, so it's a perfect way to give back.
Blugo and the Sapphire walked away with the Magnum King and Queen title respectively. The final show ended with energetic performances from Tommy Lee Sparta, Conscience to Ching Ching and exclusive dances. Reggae crooner Romain Virgo is set to make his debut appearance on Groovin' in the Park at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens, New York. The annual festival is dubbed New York's premier reggae and R&B concert. Busy Signal, Capleton and Grammy Award-winning artist Kenneth Babyface Edmonds are also expected to perform at the event. Romain Virgo released his new 16-track album called Lovesick, which earned him his first #1 position on the Billboard reggae charts. He was also named brand ambassador for Team Jamaica Bickle at the annual Penn Relays Carnival in Philadelphia, the first artist to be honored in the organization's 25-year history. Now, on the international scene, the Billboard Music Awards took place on Sunday night at the MGM Grand Arena in Las Vegas. The night saw big wins for Kendrick Lamar and Ed Sheeran, who brought home the most awards for the night. Kendrick Lamar earned his 6 for top streaming, top rap artist, top rap male artist, top Billboard 200 album, and top rap album. Other big wins included Khalid for new artist, Drake for top Billboard 200 artist, Cardi B for top rap female artist, and Bruno Mars for top R&B album with 24 Karat Magic. Recording artist Alex A-Game is quite busy as he continues to make waves on the music scene. The artist recently teamed up with Canadian rapper Tory Lanez on a new track titled Double. The artist is currently off the island shooting the video for the collaboration. This comes on the heels of another track released by the artist on Monday titled Go Harder, which, like much of his other tracks, carries a motivational theme. Alex A-Game is set to make his debut appearance at this year's staging of one of the UK's biggest summer festivals, the Boomtown Affair. This performance will just be one stop on what is expected to be a full summer tour by Alex A-Game. The tour is backed by Manchester label Swing Ting. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.